Want to turn your online influence into income by recommending your favorite Amazon products? Let's learn how to master Amazon affiliate links. First, you need to join the Amazon Associates program. Scroll down to the very bottom of any Amazon page until you find the Make Money With Us section. Click on Become an Affiliate. This will take you to the Amazon Associates Signup page. Click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You'll be guided through a few steps. First, you'll create your Associates account, providing your pay name, address, and a phone number. Next, you'll enter your website or blog details, or even your social media profile URL. If you don't have a website yet, this is where you'll tell Amazon where you'll be promoting products. Then, you'll describe your content and choose the categories that best represent the products you plan to promote. Think about what your audience is interested in. You'll also need to explain how you will drive traffic to your links and how you plan to monetize your content. Be honest and thorough here. Finally, after agreeing to the terms and conditions, you'll need to verify your account, often by entering a phone number for a verification code. Once confirmed, you're ready. Now, let's get a link. Find a product you love on Amazon. For example, let's search for wireless earbuds. Once you're on the product page, look for the Amazon Associates SiteStripe Bar that appears at the very top of the page. You'll see a Get Link option. Click on that. A window will pop up. Make sure you are on the Text tab. You can choose between a short link or a full link. The short link is usually cleaner and easier to share. Click the Copy button to the right of the link. That's it. You've just generated your Amazon affiliate link. Now you can paste this trackable link into your blog posts, social media updates, or wherever you share recommendations, and start earning commissions on any sales made through your unique link.